Welcome to part 2 of Law of Cosines. Now this situation is not side side side. This time we have side angle side. So we approach it the same way as before. We will try the law of sines first. So let me give this some labeling. And A, B, C. This will be side A. This will be side B. And this right here, the opposite will be side C, opposite angle C, and therefore we have A over sine of 25 degrees equals B, which is 12 over sine of angle B, and side C over this, which is 9 over the sine of angle C. And once again, first thing we do is always the law of sines, and we check it out that this proportion right here is missing side A angle B. This proportion right here are missing two parts once more, which is the two angles B and C, and these two is missing two parts once again, which is side A and angle C. So we cannot use the law of sines to solve it right now, and therefore we are forced to use the law of cosine to move on. Now in this situation, there is only one equation we can use, because if you look at the first equation, only side A is missing. We do have side B and side C and angle A, so we can use the first equation. We cannot use the second one because side A is missing and also angle B is also missing. So there's two things missing. We can't use equation 2. In equation 3, we have side C. We're missing side A once more, but we are also missing angle C, and therefore we cannot use the third equation because two things are missing. There's only one possibility, and right now we have to solve for side A, and that's what we're going to do. So side A squared equals, we're going to plug in B, which is 12. We're going to plug in C, which is 9. Plug in B once more, and C once more. Cosine of angle A, which is 25 degrees. As you can see, nothing is stopping us from actually putting all of this in the calculator. So I'm going to take my calculator and making sure my calculator in degree mode, and I'm plugging in 12 square plus 9 square minus 2 times 12 times 9 cosine of 25 degrees, and A square equals that answer right there, which is 29. But we're not done. We are looking for A. So we got one more step. We got to take the square root of that answer. So square root of that answer is 5.407, which I'm going to store in letter A right now so that I can use that answer to find the other answers. So I remember the answer is 5.407, and that'll be in centimeters. That is side A. Now we're going to, since we know this one right here, we can find the other two angles right here. But we must keep in mind that if you compare the three sides, 9, 12, and 5.407, that this right here is the longest side, and therefore angle B would be the biggest angle. If that angle is more than 90 degrees, I cannot use the law of sines to solve for it, which we will try to avoid using law of sines and find angle B, because arc sine can only go up to 90 degrees. So we're going to avoid that, and we're going to go use either law of cosine to find angle B, because law of cosine always works. We have enough information now because we do have side A now, and therefore the only thing missing will be angle B, and we can actually do it that way. Or I'm going to use law of sines and ignore this second fraction right here and cross multiply, and once again we do have side A. The only thing one missing is angle C. So that's the path I'm going to choose. I'm going to use side A over sine of 25 degrees equals side 9 over sine of angle C. I'm going to cross multiply to get A times sine of angle C equals 9 times sine of 25 degrees. Now remember, we do have A and we're looking for angle C. So I'm going to divide by A on both sides to give me 9 sine of 25 degrees divided by side A. And to get angle C by itself, I need arc sine. So angle C is arc sine of 9 sine of 25 degrees over A. I'm going to put that in the calculator. So here's the calculator. I'll do arc sine of 9 sine of 25 degrees divided by the side of A, which I stored in A as well, and that get me this angle right here, which I'm going to store as angle C. So angle C is 44.7703 degrees, and there's only one thing missing left. We're just missing angle B now, but we do have two angles now, 25 degrees and this 44.703. So angle B will be 180 degrees minus angle A, which is 25 degrees, minus angle C, which I did store in the calculator as angle C. Therefore, typing all that in, 180 minus 25 degrees minus angle C will give us 110.297 degrees. And we have every single part of this triangle. Just watch out over here. Some people might put the letter A, but you need to understand and remember what you stored in your calculator. The A actually represents the side A and not angle A, and that's why I did not put the letter A there, so I don't make that mistake. Thank you for watching.